first period. I am so sorry that I cannot be there again today. Same problem as Monday, so this is going to be very short. This is the end of 1.6, and then you will practice on the 1.6 worksheet that you can find on Canvas, or you can find it on the pacing guide. Just looking at this information that we are given by 1.6, we want to see where would we choose to go. Would we choose to go to Tahiti, where we get 3,000 noodles? Remember, noodles can be a measurement of satisfaction and utility. And if we go to Chicago, we will get 1,000 utils. Well, just from this information, we know that, of course, we would choose Tahiti because Tahiti gives us more satisfaction because 3,000 is bigger than 1,000. But we really should have some other information here. Yes, of course, we would choose Tahiti if we didn't have any information, but you're probably wondering, well, how much does it cost to go to Tahiti? How much does it cost to go to Chicago? Well, let's just say that the price for Tahiti is $3,000, and then the price for Chicago is $500. And now, given this information, I ask, okay, which one would you choose? All right. Well, you might be thinking you want to be doing a ratio to see how much marginal utility per dollar you get when you go to Tahiti versus Chicago. So that way you can compare the two. So I'm going to go ahead and do another column, marginal utility per dollar. So we're just going to take the marginal utility, 3,000, and divide it by how much it costs. And it looks like we are getting 1 util every dollar. Okay? And then for Chicago, I take the marginal utility, it's already given to us, 1,000, divide it by the price, 500, and we see that we are getting 2 utils for every dollar we spend. So now, given this information, we would actually choose to go to Chicago because we're getting more bang for our buck. We are getting 2 utils for every dollar compared to 1 util every dollar. Calculating marginal utility per dollar allows you to compare products with different prices. So that is what we are going to do in our next example, and that is also what you're going to be practicing on your 1.6 worksheet. So our example here, we are deciding whether we want to go to the movies. Every time we go to see the movie, it is $10. Or we're deciding we want to go and race go-karts. Every time we go on the go-karts, it's $5. And we are given $40, and we want to spend all $40. But we want to spend it in a way that maximizes our utility or our benefit. Okay, so again, what we're going to want to do so that we can compare these two different goods, I guess you could say, movies and go-karts, you want to calculate the marginal utility per price or per dollar. So we know that movies cost $10. So let's go ahead and calculate this right here. What is the marginal utility per dollar? So that's going to be 30 divided by 10. So we can put 3. And the next cell down, 20 divided by 10 is 2. 10 divided by 10 is 1. And 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. We're going to do the same thing with go-karts. So we know that go-karts cost $5. So we're going to divide all of the marginal utilities by 5. Okay? So we have 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. And then 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. And now we need to see what is going to maximize our utility. Well, we need to first see, are we going to go see the first movie, okay, and get 3 utils per dollar? Or are we going to go on the go-karts and only get 2 utils per dollar? Well, we want the most satisfaction, so I'm going to circle this. We are going to go see the movie the first time. So I'm just going to keep track of what we're doing. So we're going to see the first movie. So that costs us $10. Well, we still have $30 more to spend, okay? So are we going to go see the second movie and get 2 utils per dollar? Or again, go on the go-karts. Sorry, not go on them again. Go on the go-karts for the first time for 2 utils. Well, they're the same, 2 and 2. So we are indifferent between both of these. So we are actually, because we have more money to spend, going to go and do them both. So we're going to go to the second movie. So we spent another $10, and we're going to go on the first go-kart for $5. So we're right now at $25. We have $15 more to spend. And these problems you're going to see will always work out like this in this class. But we want to see, okay, are we going to the third movie and getting 1 util per dollar of satisfaction, or going on the second go-kart and also getting 1 util per dollar? Well, we're going to do both of those. We're indifferent between those two. And you will see that these problems will always work out nicely like this. So it looks like we are going to go to the third movie, and that is $10. And the second go-kart for $5. That's a grand total of $40. We've spent $40. So we know in order to maximize our utility or our satisfaction, when we're spending $40 and deciding how many movies and how many go-karts we want to go on, we are going to see 3 movies and go on the go-kart 2 times. Okay, so you guys will be practicing this on 1.6. I want you to note that number 12 on the 1.6 worksheet, we have not gone over. So when you get to number 12 on the back side of the worksheet, we have not done demand yet. So you can skip that one. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday. Thank you.